What's up, everybody? This is Austin with Gamblin Motors. Today we have ourselves a brand new 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This one is a RST trim package. It also has a Z71 package on it. So this thing's all around super nice. It's black on black. You got the black assist steps, black gloss wheels. You have a sunroof, standard bed, dual exhaust. It's got the 5.3 liter V8 in it. Also has the leather package, so it's going to have black leather on the inside. You got the little storage bins behind the seats, under seat storage. Also has BOSE sound system. Not sure if I mentioned it already, but it does have the sunroof as well. Cruise control, heated front seats. Super nice vehicle. With it being a brand new vehicle, you do get oil changes for life as well as car washes for life. You end up purchasing it from us. We got the MSRP coming in at $65,490. There might be some rebates available as well, but here you go. Here's a nice little sweeping shot of the interior for you. But yeah, all around really nice truck. If this is something that you'd be interested in, feel free to give us a call at 360-825-3567. Once again, that is 360-825-3567. My name is Austin. Feel free to call in and ask for me, and I'll have to take care of you. Alrighty, hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.